Welcome guys to a brand new video. Today we are going to be showing you the air thrusters for this, and there is a wiener out there. Yeah, so I already put like air thrusters on some of these, so yeah, just to show you guys how to put on the air thrusters. First you buy the product, and then you put on customize, go to add-ons, and then you have the air control thrusters here. And there's all controls right here. So, like, you have to let go of your keyboard, and then you can start using the controls, like, because you're driving. And then, yeah, just do that. It's hard to explain, but. And we also have, like, new shirts for Roblox. Only 5 Robux. Link in the description. And, yeah, make sure to buy those. So, I'm gonna go to this big fat mountain right there, and oh, hi, I remember you. Oh, yeah, I remember. Okay. Little help, a little help, please. All right, and what the heck is that thing? All right, let's try that later. I think I'm gonna. Dang it! All right, back to what we were doing. All right, we're here on the ramp. Let's go. Oh wait, yeah. So this is what the air thrusters do. It helps you like land. So I'm gonna review all the controls for you guys, so it's just easier. So the controls: W, pitch down; S, pitch up; A, yaw left; D, yaw right; E, roll right. Wait, what? And then Q is roll left. Let me try that out. Oh! Whoa! Bros dropped a whole entire crate. I'm gonna go over that and like. I wanna use that car like right now. See if it works. Oh, it worked, but I'm not high enough, so I have something about that. But whee! Oh, I fell out of my car. I'm dead. I can still teleport to my vehicle. That's good. Oh, I don't think it works anymore. All right, now it's time to test out the other cars. So, oh, I just spawned this one. All right, time to get into it now. Oh wait, you can do that in water. That's actually kind of cool. No, you can click A and you can do this. Now I'm gonna click S. Oh wait, that just go back. Alright, I found the. Oh my gosh! Alright, I found the thing. I can't even tell what it's called. Wait, you can click Q and you can drop a. That's kind of cool. So if someone's just coming up behind you, you can just drop it. Oh, you can just drop a crate on them. That's kind of evil. About this, bro. I'm really sorry. Is there anything I could do for you after this? Oh, it completely destroyed his car! Aw, that's just sad. Wait, it set it on fire. Like, let me try it on that one. Hi, buddy. Oh, dang. Alright. Is that how you want to play these games? Is that how you want to play? Alright. Hey. Oh, I completely missed. What in the world is this? Oh, it's a new camper! Finally! It's a new camper! This thing is big and fat. I don't even know if it's a camper. Oh, yeah, it's a camper. Alright. Let's see what this thing's all about. It's basically like the same thing as. Oh. Except it has a better toilet. A bed here. And then, like, a stove, I think. And this is where you get to sit and relax. And this is the. I just nuked my car. Next car. Alright, next car is this thing. This thing has cool inside things. And, its wheels pop out somehow. And that guy's still, like, destroyed from what I did to him. Sorry about that. I mean, not sorry, but also. Oh! Help! Help! The next car is this tractor thing. Looks like a car set on fire. I mean, I think I did, but yeah. Wait, alright, time for clicking Q. Alert! Alert! Wait, I'm gonna do like spinning around thing. Whatever that's called, the thing that you do with. Hey! Alright, it's time to spin around in the air. Have a good time. That didn't work out well. So yeah, that's also the new car. I heard there's a Bugatti thing. Bugatti. Wait, where is it? Huh. I'm gonna like teleport back. Alright. It's on quests, I think. I don't even do any of these quests. Oh. Mission points. Wait. So that's a new Bugatti. Oh, I can buy 2x money for 20 minutes? Oh, alright. Let's start it now. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for this video. And yes, I'm gonna do the 2x money for 20 minutes. And yeah, my merch is in the description. And also this thing is in the description. I think he wants to get crushed like the other. Wait, no. Launch it on me. Put it on me. Whatever. Oh. Alright, so goodbye guys.